Chapter 2, Uses of Plants. Learning Objectives. 1. Food grains and fodder for plants. 2. Fruits and vegetables from plants. 3. Wood, fiber and paper from plants. 4. Edible oils, rubbers, herbs and gums from plants. Let me answer. Do you think plants prevent air pollution? Do you think plants are a good source of wood and timber? Things we get from plants: food, shelter, clothes, oxygen, wood, medicines, other things. Food: vegetables, fruits, nuts, spices, edible oils, other eatables. Things we get from plants. Plants are very useful to us. We get many things from plants. They keep the air fresh and clean. They give us oxygen to breathe in. Plants give us food. Wood for our chair, table or bed comes from plants. We get herbs and oils from plants. We get cotton from plants to make our clothes. Paper comes from plants. 1. Food. Plant give us food as vegetables. We get vegetable from roots, from stem, from leaves, from fruits. Some plants store their food in roots. These roots bulge up and are used as food. Example: radish, carrot, beet, etc. Some plants store their food in stem. These stems are eaten as food. Example: sugarcane, onion, etc. Some plants store their food in leaves. These leaves are used as food. Example: lettuce, cabbage, spinach, etc. Some plants store their food in fruits. These fruits are eaten as vegetables. Example: brinjal, tomato, etc. As fruits, fruits are the fleshy parts of a plant that can be eaten as food. Fruits are sweet in taste. They keep us healthy. Example: mango, orange, banana, etc. As nuts, we also get nuts from plants. Nuts are dried fruits with a hard shell. Nuts give us energy. Example: almond, cashew nut, etc. As spices, plants give us spices. Spices add taste, color and flavor to food. Example: pepper, clove, turmeric, etc. As edible oils, we get edible oils from plants. These are used for cooking as medicine and for applying on hair and body. Example: coconut oil, sunflower oil, mustard oil, etc. As other eatables, plants also give us tea, coffee and sugar. We get tea from tea leaves, coffee from cocoa beans and sugar from sugar canes. 2. Shelter. Many animals like monkeys, squirrels, birds and insects live on plants and trees. Plants provide shelter to these animals. Sometimes on hot sunny days or when it rains, people take shelter under big trees. 3. Clothes. Cotton plants give us fibers to make cotton clothes. We also get jute fibers from jute plants. Different clothes and items like sacks, robes, bags, etc. are made from jute. 4. Oxygen. Plants keep the air fresh. Plants provide oxygen which is needed for living organisms to breathe. Oxygen is also needed for burning. Wood. The wood trunk of big trees is used as wood to make wooden houses, furniture, doors and windows. Plants also give us wood for fuel. Wood from some trees is also used for making boats and carts. 6. Medicines. Many medicines are made from plants like tulsi, neem, mint, eucalyptus, etc. Tulsi leaves are used to cure cold and cough. Amla, turmeric and aloe vera is also used as medicines. 7. Other things. We get perfumes from flowers like rose, jasmine, etc. Some oils are used to make soap and shampoo. We get rubber from latex, liquid of rubber tree. Gum is made from the latex of trees like kekar and acacia. Paper is used for the pulp of trees like bamboo. We make dyes, paints and varnishes from juices of some trees. We get dyes from plants like henna, true indigo, etc. We make compost with dry leaves. Flowers and leaves of many plants are used for decoration and making bouquets. Facts to know: bamboo is a giant grass, not a tree. Some stems grow underground and give vegetables as food. Example: potato and ginger. Let's recall. 1. Plants gives us food. 2. Some plants store their food in roots. 3. Fruits are the fleshy parts of a plant that can be eaten as food. 4. We also get nuts from plants. 5. Plants give us spices. 6. We get edible oil from plants. 7. Plants also give us tea, coffee and sugar. 8. Many animals like monkeys, squirrels, birds, insects live on plants and trees. 9. Cotton plants give us fibers to make cotton clothes. 10. Plants keep the air fresh. Word power. Bulge up around its swelling. Fiber, a thread of filament from textile plant or animal. Fleshy, the soft plant. Latex, a milky fluid in plant. Shelter, a place giving protection. Train your brain. Cross curriculum connect. 1. Answer the following questions in short. A. Which gas do not plants give us? B. Where does paper come from? C. Why do we use spices? D. Which gas do we need for burning? 2. Fill up the blanks with suitable words. A. Tulsi is a dash plant. B. Dash, dash and dash plants give us perfumes. C. Dash plants give us fiber. D. Acequia plants give us dash. E. We get paper from dash tree. 3. Answer the following question. A. Why are plants useful for us? B. Write the names of some fruits and vegetables we get from plants. C. Which are the medicinal plants? D. How do we get the following? 1. Rubber, 2. Gum, 3. Paper. 4. Take the right and cross the wrong statements. A. Plants give us food, vegetables and fruits. B. Plants keep the air dirty. C. Plants provide us wood, medicines, fibers, perfumes, etc. D. We get rubber from the latex of rubber tree. E. Gum is made from the latex of Acequia tree. 5. Multiple choice questions. A. Which statement is right? 1. Plant provide us food and shelter. 2. Plants keeps the air dirty. 3. Plants give us oxygen. B. Which statement is wrong? 1. Plant provide us oxygen. 2. Plant give us fibers. 3. Plant do not provide us food and shelter. 6. Name any 2 plants which give us the following. A. Gum. B. Vegetables. C. Perfumes. D. Edible oils. E. Medicines. F. Fibers. 7. Match the columns. Column A. Column B. A. Pulse. B. Paper. C. Gum. D. Fiber. E. Vegetable. 1. Acacia. 2. Pumpkin. 3. Moong. 4. Bamboo. 5. Jute. Activity time. Take a piece of paper, some leaves of a plant like neem and some pieces of carrot and ladyfinger. Dip one side of a leaf in color of your choice. Gently place the side of the leaf dipped in color on the piece of paper and press it. Now remove the leaf. You will be able to see the imprint of the leaf. And do not same with pieces of carrot and ladyfingers. You can make greeting cards with prints like these and give them to your friends. Hearts. 1. Name a few things you see in your bathroom which are made from plants. 2. There are so many trees planted on roadsides. They also bear certain fruits. Are these fruits edible? Give reasons. Project time. You thought pulses were only meant for eating. Here's something else you can do in your scrapbook. Take some pulses of your choice such as 1. Masoor dal, 2. Rice grains, 3. Rajma, 4. Green moong dal. Using Fevicol and arrange them to form flowers as in the picture.